Hi Somas, welcome. Thank you for listening and watching this video, this update of what's coming up in class this week. But first of all, I wanted to share with you what I was doing at the weekend. And on Saturday, I was lucky enough to go to Nottingham and listen to Dr. Chatterjee, and he was presenting his live tour, Thrive. And it was really interesting, very interactive. And you could tell he's passionate and has a lot of compassion and really wants to spread that word of, feel good, live better. And because I am passionate about, one of the things I'm very passionate about is somatics and somatic movement. And so I took him and was able to leave it at the stage door. I took him a copy of Thomas Hanna's Somatics book, and you can see my copy is so well read and lots of highlights in it where I really underline and things that really resonate with me and are like really key points in the book. And I wanted to share this with him so that he's got a great reach, so that he can read the book and, sorry, a message has just popped through whilst I'm videoing this. So he can read the book and hopefully spread the word on somatics as well, because it is such a beneficial movement practice. And Thomas Hanna, he understood, he studied neurophysiology, and he understood back in the 1970s, him and his wife really developed biofeedback, and he understood how our emotions, our thoughts and our actions, they trigger certain reflex responses. One which tightens the back or down the back line of the body, he referred to that as a green light reflex, and the one that tightens the front as the red light reflex. And the back can be triggered through continual stress, and the front can be triggered through lots of worry, apprehension, anxiety. And the movements that he created around this were actually following these very natural, instinctive movement patterns. And such a great movement practice to regulate our nervous system, but also maintain suppleness, pain-free movement, which is why I transitioned from teaching yoga to this practice, because it's really helped me and it keeps me moving well. And so this week we are going to be exploring a beautiful movement called the flower, and it balances those two reflexes so well. I was thinking about this movement, and to me it's like an avocado. An avocado is the perfect ready meal waiting to go for you, and the flower is a little bit like that. It's the perfect ready movement which helps to balance, so simple, it's so beautiful, to balance those two reflex patterns which we do not want to habituate. It's all about releasing ourselves out of these unconscious patterns. So I really hope that you can join me this week and take a really deep dive into this beautiful movement. So if you don't subscribe to my newsletter, I would highly recommend it, because in there I give you some updates that I won't share through here about upcoming retreats and workshops. So I really hope that you can subscribe. You can find the link from my website, and that's in my bio. Okay, have a great day, everybody. Have a really good week, and I'll see you all very soon. Thanks for listening.